Hello and welcome to Nation Innovation. So, in continuation to the addressing modes of microcontroller, we will now see the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. So, basically, instruction set consists of instructions, native data types, addressing modes, interrupt registers, exceptional handling, and memory architecture. And since 8051 microcontroller follows CIS instruction, that is complex instruction set architecture, so different type of this instruction include data transfer instruction set. Then we have sequential instruction set. Then we have arithmetic instruction set. Then we have branching instruction set. Then we have loop instruction set, conditional instruction set, unconditional instruction set, logical instruction set, and Boolean instruction set. So let's see them one by one. For example, if we talk about arithmetic instruction set, so it has arithmetic instructions such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So if I write the example, let's say I have origin at 000h, then I move R0 with a value 03h, then move accumulator with some value, let's say 05h, and then I write the command add a comma 00h. So what will this command do? This will add accumulator value. This will add accumulator value to the R0 value. So these both values will be added and the result will be stored in accumulator. Similarly, I have multiplication, subtraction. So for subtraction, the command is SUBB and division DIV. Now let us see about conditional instructions. So the CPU executes instructions based on the condition by checking the single bit status or byte status. So various conditional instructions include jump below, that is JB, jump below, jump if not below, jump if not below, jump if carry, jump if not carry. For example, this will check the value of carry bit. If carry bit is 1, that means jump carry, this instruction will be executed, and if it is not 1, the jump not carry is executed. Similarly, we have jump if 0 and jump if not 0. So if 0 bit is high, or you can say if the accumulator value jump if is 0 means the accumulator value is 0. And these instructions are basically used to tell the code to jump to some label. Some predefined label is there in the code. A jump instruction takes the pointer to from its normal execution to that label. And there are two type of jump instructions. One is call and one is jump. Then let us see loop instructions. A loop instructions are used to repeat the block each time while performing a increment or decrement operation. Like we have for loop and while loop in programming. So here we have 8051 microcontroller consists of two types of loop instructions. One is CJNE, that is compare and jump if not equal. Compare and jump if not equal. Another is DJNZ, that is decrement and jump if not 0. Decrement and jump if not 0. Then let's see, we have shifting operators. We have shifting operators here. There are four type of shifting operators. First is rotate right, then rotate right through carry, then rotate left and rotate left through carry. So in rotate right and rotate left, what is there? The MSB becomes the LSB and all the bits shift toward right hand side one by one bit. For example, if I have 8-bit instruction here, so basically what will happen if I have shift right, so this will shift here, this will shift here, this will shift here, this will shift here. Similarly, last one will shift and go back to the MSP. This is how right and rotate left bit occur. And right through carry means if I have a carry bit here, then it will first, the last bit will go to carry and the carry will go to this. These are the four type of shifting operations basically. So we are almost done with all the content. Apart from this, what the student should know is 8051 and it's interfacing with external things such as LED, LED, LCD, motor, keyboard. So these are the interface devices. They are not from the exam point of view, but theoretically one should know that how to interface these devices with 8051. So I hope you all enjoyed learning. All the best. Thank you.